Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to see that partnership basic concept. This is revision video number 3. Here first we are going to see that what is accounting treatment for that partners capital account. So until that in last year, that means class 11, we had seen that the sole proprietorship. And from there here partnership is little bit differ. Here we need to create a partners capital account. Actually in sole proprietorship it is not required because there is only one person. We know that sole proprietorship means one person only. So no need of calculating any profit or no need of dividing any profit among that the one person. One person is he invested that entire capital. How much is the capital? That much capital he invested. If whether profit or loss, how much is there? If there is profit, that is adding with his capital, or if there is loss, that is reducing from his capital. That much only. But when come to that partnership, here not only one person has investment. Capital is divided according to that how much persons are partners. Got clear now? So if there are 3 partners, then 3 partners are contributing to that capital. So 3 capital account will be there in their respective name. For example, A, B, C, then A is capital account, B is capital account, C is capital account. And whether profit or loss, that is also distributing among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Got clear now? How they agreed in their partnership deal, how they agreed to distribute that profit or loss in the same ratio, that profit or losses will be distributed among that partners. So how many partners are there in their separate? So here it is required to create a separate account for the partners. To create this, we are using the 2 method. One is the fixed method and another is the fluctuating method. Very simple only. That means here fixed method means 2 accounts we are creating for one partner itself or each partner. So how many partner is there? For each partner we are creating 2 accounts, 2 capital accounts. That means one account we show that their main capital partners capital account, and another is that partners current account. Current account means normal transaction, normal withdrawings, normal interest, salary goes all we show in the partners current account. And fixed account we show only their main capital introduced. If any additional capital they brought, not any loans or advances, if any additional capital, that is for permanent. Their capital means you understand that is for permanent. When they are withdrawing that entire capital, that means they are no longer as the partner. Got clear now? Then partner is a partner until his contribution or until his capital is remained there. You imagine that 3 of you started one business. Okay, among that after some years, Srishti is withdrawn the complete amount. How much she contributed, that all amount she withdrawn. That means she is no more as a partner. If she wants to continue as a partner, she has to maintain some amount, at least some amount, and which must be agreed with all other partners. Clear now? Some exceptional cases are there that we can see later. Okay. So normally this is like this. The partners will contribute some amount. That amount will be considered as their capital. And sometimes they can withdraw amount from that the capital account also. Then their capital account or their capital will be reduced. That is permanent withdrawal. Normal withdrawal is we show in the current account, and permanent withdrawal we show in the partners capital account itself. You understand now? In fixed method. Got clear now? And one another item we are showing in that this partners capital account is at under fixed method is at withdrawal we are showing in the debit side, and additional capital introduced is showing in the credit side. Got clear now? And in the current account we have some other items. That means here you can see that all things related to withdrawal, normal withdrawal, salary, interest on drawings, interest on capital, interest on loans and advances, profit and loss appropriation account balance, that all we are showing in that partners current account. So you understood now? Under fixed method, two accounts are maintained for one partner itself, or each partners two account will be there. Same account only, capital account. That capital account is divided as a capital account and current account. Clear now? Understood now? And in fluctuating method, nothing more. This two account is together. That means only. There is no separate capital account or current account. Under fluctuating method, only one account is there. That means both this account are blended. You heard that word blended, no? From here they heard that blended. Okay, here these two accounts are together. That means there is no separate capital account, there is no separate current account. Only one account is a partners capital account. In that we are showing that partners capital withdraw, additional capital introduced, or salary, commission, interest, all expenses and interest, and also that profit and loss appropriation balance, that all is showing in one account. Clear now? That is under fluctuating method. Got clear now? So we can see that what are the items there. This is under fixed method, partners capital account. You know those columns now, so I am not mentioning that here. Only side debit side, credit side, and first here it will come that here first it will come that balance. That means when the business is started, they how much, or up to last year, up to last transaction, how much capital they introduced, that amount will show. And another item is that if there is any additional capital introduced, so we mentioned that additional capital, if any additional capital, this is by that partner's name only. Okay, that partner's capital account will come here. Next to this side, what will come? Bank. Here also it is bank. Okay, name is under bank. Here also the bank. This is the withdrawing amount. That means permanent withdrawal. That means withdrawing from that the main capital. If any drawings is from that the main capital, we found here. Then we mention here. This drawings, you understand that this is permanent drawings from that the capital. Okay. Next any? Only this much. Yeah. The next is the balance sheet figure only. Okay. Here is only one item will come. If permanent withdrawal. For balance. So normally we know that here some balance amount will be there. Why? Always the partners capital account is showing credit balance. As I said that if there is no credit balance, that means that partners is not considered as a partner. Here, if under that fixed method, we are creating two account, that is partners capital account and current account. In that time, capital account or partners capital account, we get always a credit balance. There will not be any debit balance. You understand now? But another thing is that if current account is there, their chance is a debit balance or credit balance. Got clear now? If there is current account, in current account both chances are there. Here you see that directly we mentioned that a balance draw down this side. That means always balance will come in the credit side itself. But in case of current account, partners current account, there is chance you can see that we are creating the current account for the partners. Partners current account. There you can see that balance can be come in either of the side, this side or this side. You got clear now? Here means only one side. It is if the partners capital account is there, then the balance will come in the credit side itself. I already said beginning. If there is no balance in the credit side, then that partner is not considered as a partner. He already or she already exit from the partnership. But in current account it is possibility. That means here you can see that balance draw down. Here also chance is there. Any one side, okay. Both sides together they will not come, but any one side it will come. Either this side or this side. Normally it will come this side itself. Balance draw down. Clear now? Partners current account. Balance is that it can come in any one of the side. Both sides together will not come, any one of the side. Next year, what are the items will come here? So here what are the benefits for that benefit for the partner? That means the expense for that firm, benefit for that partner will come in their credit side. Clear now? In their debit side, benefit for the firm, but expense for that partners or their withdrawings will come this side. So we can see that if there is salary to partner, if agreed, that means if partnership deed is saying, you know that yesterday I said that partnership deed. If partnership deed is saying, that will come here. We can say that salary to partner. How much is there? That much. If there is commission to partner. Commission. Then interest on loans and advances. interest on capital. Then any other item? Profit and loss. P&L appropriation account. If which balance? If there is profit. Yeah, if that share of profit will come here in the profit and loss appropriation account. If partners are getting that profit, that share will come to partners account. Clear now? Or any other benefit if partner is receiving from the company or from the partnership firm, that all benefit for the partner will come this side. Clear now? And this side, what are the items will come? Yeah, drawings. Drawings will, that means not permanent drawings from this amount. If partner is getting this all benefit, and why he wants to maintain those all amount? No, he wants some amount. He started the business or invested his money to get back some reward or get back some benefit. So normally he will withdraw amount from, not from here. Normally he withdraw from amount, he or she will withdraw amount from here. How much is the benefit he got or she got, from that we withdraw. That is drawings. So that drawings we draw here, not permanent drawings. Okay. Permanent drawing means his capital will reduce. Normal drawings means how much only, yes, from current, that means how much that particular year he got or she got, from that amount only it will reduce. Interest on drawings, that means the partner is paying. Expense for that partner, income for that the firm. Any other expenses? Profit and loss appropriation account. If loss incurred, that also will come here, not here. Okay. Loss. Any other? That means if there is any more expense, normal expense incurred from the other partners, those all will come here. So last we write that the balance carried out. And the same way here you can see that drawdown we mentioned both sides. That means both chances is there, either a debit balance or a credit balance. Here also the same chance is there. Sometimes debit balance may be there, sometimes credit balance may be there. And if there is credit balance, normally it will come as a credit balance only. If credit balance means we write here balance carried out the amount. If there is debit balance, very less chance. Normally the business is running for the profit and they will withdraw that how much is that much amount only, or from that amount only they will withdraw. So balance carried out. This is debit balance. Okay. Clear?